TNW wireless microphone versus Boya. If hindi mo alam kung ano yung bibilhin mo sa dalawang to, I'll be showing you the difference. So this is how it sounds without any microphone. This is just the phone. Pero kapag lalayo ako, nag-iiba na yung boses ko, diba? Parang ang layo-layo ko na. If ever mag-show ka ng product, ang layo ko na. Let's start with TNW microphone. Ganito yung itsura niya. Super cute and super compact. Ganyan yung laman niya sa loob. So, ito yung microphone and ito yung kanyang saksakan. And this is what I love. Meron siyang Type-C and meron din siya for iPhone na saksakan. So, any device, you can just plug it. So, let's plug it. Pero turn on ko muna siya. Ayan. So, isasaksak ko na siya sa aking phone. So, ayan, nakasaksak na ngayong ating TNW microphone. This is what it sounds like using TNW wireless microphone. So, kahit lalayo ako, if ever mag-show ako ng damit sa inyo or anything, maririnig nyo pa rin ako, unlike kanina, na parang ang layo ko na talaga. Next is Boya wireless microphone naman. Ito yung laman ng box. We've got the microphone, super cute. And eto, ganyan lang siya. Isa lang yung saksakan niya, which is for iPhone. So, let's plug it. Okay. So, this is what it sounds like with Boya wireless microphone. So, if ever tatayo din ako, ayan, and mag-show sa inyo ng anything, I think kaya pa nito ng mas malayo. So, this is what it sounds like with Boya wireless microphone. So, plug and play lang din siya and you're good to go. They both have noise reduction option which is actually good. Ang kinagustuhan ko lang din talaga dito sa TNW is yung dalawang saksakan niya. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!